My name is Pritamji. I am studying in first standard. My school name is St. Philomena's High School in Chandapura branch.
Now GK concept. States and capital.
States and capital: Andhra Pradesh Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh Itanagar, Assam Dispur, Bihar Patna, Chhattisgarh Raipur, Goa Panaji, Gujarat Gandhinagar, Haryana Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh Shimla, Jharkhand Kranchi, Karnataka Bengaluru, Kerala Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh Bhopal, Maharashtra Mumbai, Manipur Impal, Meghalaya Shillong, Mizoram Mysore, Nagaland Kohima, Odisha Bhubaneswar, Punjab Chandigarh, Rajasthan Jaipur, Sikkim Gangtok, Tamil Nadu Chennai, Telangana Hyderabad, Tripura Agartala, Uttarakhand Dehradun, Uttar Pradesh Lucknow, West Bengal Kolkata.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamiravarani, Vaiget, Yamuna.
Nanapita Award winner from Karnataka.
Nanapita Award winner from Karnataka: Kuvempu, Dara Bendre, Shivaram Karnat, Masti Venkatesh Iyengar, V.K. Gokal, Yuvarananthamurthy, Virish Karnat, Chandrasekhara Kambara.
Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance from of India: Bharatanatyam Tamil Nadu, Kathakali Kerala, Kathak Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri Manipur, Kuchipudi Andhra Pradesh, Odissi Odisha, Satriya Assam, Matki dance Madhya Pradesh, Dandiya Gujarat, Yakshagana Karnataka.
National festival.
National festivals: Ganesha January 26 Republic Day, August 15 Independence Day, September 50 Church Day, October 2 Gandhi Jayanti, November 14 Children's Day.
7 wonders of India.
7 wonders of India: Gomateshwar statue in Karnataka, Taj Mahal Agra, Hampi temple in Karnataka, Konark Sun temple in Odisha, Nalanda University in Bihar, Golden temple in Punjab.
4 Vedas.
4 Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narsimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Epics of India.
Epics of India: Ramayana and Mahabharata.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica. Australia.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world: Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka: Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Ballari, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belagavi, Chamarajanagar, Chikkaballapura, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Gagag, Hasan, Haveri, Kalburgi, Kodagu, Kolar, Koppala, Mandya, Mysore, Shamnagara, Raichur, Shimoga, Tumkur, Kodupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijayapura, Yadgiri.
Indian festivals.
Indian festivals: Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Mahara, Good Friday.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Ludo, Dogri, Gujarati, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu. Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
Name of Rutus.
Name of Rutus: Vasanta Rutu, Nishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Sharat Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu. ಹಿಂದೂಲು ನರ್ವನ್, ಚೈತ್ರ, ವೈಶಾಖ, ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠ, ಆಷಾಢ, ಶ್ರಾವಣ, ಭಾದ್ರಪದ, ಆಶ್ವಯುಜ, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ, ಮಾರ್ಗಶಿರ, ಪುಷ್ಯ, ಮಾಘ, ಫಾಲ್ಗುಣ.
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India: Mumbai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Kulikeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Vishnuvardhana, Mayuravarma, Amoghavarsha, Madakari Nayaka, Kittur Rani Chennamma, Hakka Bukka, Jaya Chamaraja Vadeyar, Kempegowda.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, culture and educational right, right to constitutional remedies. Proverbs: work is worship, honesty is the best policy, where there is a way, there is a way, all that little is not good, face is the index of mind, a rolling stone gathers no marks, an idle mind is the devil worship, there is no shortcut to hard work, to or die, old is good, actions speak louder than words, a journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step.
5 different shapes of the moon.
5 different shapes of the moon: full moon, half moon, reverse moon, new moon, crescent moon.
Antonyms: sit,
Stand,
come,
go,
in,
out,
hot,
cold,
up,
down,
happy,
sad,
open,
close,
good,
bad,
big,
small,
yes,
no,
new,
old,
on,
off,
forward,
under,
give,
take,
clean,
clean, dirty,
morning,
evening,
east,
west,
day,
night,
inside,
outside.
national symbol, father of the nation,
Mahatma Gandhi.
national anthem,
Jana Gana Mana.
national song,
Vande Mataram.
national flower,
Lotus,
national sea animal,
dolphin,
national bird,
peacock,
national language,
Hindi,
national book,
Bhagavad Gita.
National game.
Hockey.
National tree.
Banyan tree.
National river.
Ganga.